Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Netflix account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. Soon after you do that, go to the web address bar and type in www.netflix.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Netflix, which looks like this. To get started and create a new account, you'll need to go ahead and enter a valid email address you'd like to use for your account and then click on the Get Started button. You'll now need to finish setting up your account. Click on the next button in order to start up your membership and create a new password you'd like to set for your account. Type in your password, which will be easier for you to remember whenever you are trying to access Netflix again. And then, if you don't want to receive email about Netflix special offers, make sure to check this box at the bottom. If you do, uncheck the box and click Next. Now, choose your plan you'd like to get started with by clicking the Next button. Select if you'd like to go with a mobile plan, basic plan, standard, or premium plan. You can choose whatever you like according to your preference and then click Next at the bottom. Now, the final step is to choose your payment method. You can select a debit or credit card option, or if you do have a PayPal account you can make a payment with. Click on PayPal and type in your credentials and follow the prompts. If you would like to use a credit or debit card, choose the first option and enter your credit or debit card number in the first text box, its expiry date, CVV code, first name and the last name available on your payment information. After you are done filling in all of the details, if you'd like to change your subscription plan, then you can do it right now. Click on the change button and choose your plan according to your preference and click on I agree at the bottom, and finally click on start membership in order to create a new account for Netflix.com. That is how you can easily sign up or create a Netflix account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.